So in this video, I want to teach you guys how to fix your own jingles on Djay Pro. So this is their own. So to change your own, so click this. Yeah, see, click this one. So you see something like sample pack. So click the plus sign and click add custom pack. So name jingles. If you want to fix jingles, name jingles. If you want to fix drum, name drums. So I want to fix jingles, so I'll name it jingles. You can see jingles. So click that jingles. So you see this empty box. So click this the pen sign, this sign, this pen, click it. So you see these three dots in the empty box. So just click one. So you see something like this. So click this plus sign down there. So and click this three dots and click your device. So this is click it and go to the files where you kept your jingles or drums. So this is where I kept my jingles. So you see sample. So this is my jingles. So just mark it. Mark 5 and come back later and mark 5. So I'll mark 5 and click select. You see this select, click it. So you'll see them in this box. So you see so to fix them inside, so just click these three dots and mark them. You see, so this is how to fix your own jingles on Djay Pro.
Believe me, no man. Battery to the